just some suggestions and things you have to be aware of is running these kinds of campaigns can be time intensive and time consuming, and it's you know, it's not a small thing if you're going to do it well. You have to stay consistent with the marketing. You have to be able to have really good incentives. So what kind of things are you going to offer people? You might offer, you know, free juice for a certain price. You might offer a free juice cleanse. You might offer like a 10-pack of smoothies. You might offer some mentorship for a period of time, like health coaching. There are all kinds of things that you can offer as incentives at a discounted rate. Now, I always say that having people pre-purchase product is always better than post-purchasing. What I mean by that is when somebody's giving you money up front, you know exactly what you need. So make sure that the one thing that you have to be aware of is that you're doing the math correctly, and you don't offer a smoothie for, you know, let's say $4, but it costs you more than that to make it. Now you're running negative, and it's going to really impact your business in a significant way. You have to be aware of what your profit margins are for your product and what kind of discounts you can reasonably offer, which is why generally if you offer larger packages for people at a discounted rate, you'll have more margin on those elements because of the economies of scale of labor and all those things.